Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to erase and delete all content and setting and factory reset your iPhone 17 or any iPhone on the latest iOS version. This is something you would do if you're looking to sell, trade in, or give away your iPhone and you want to completely remove all of your information. But before proceeding with this, it's highly recommended that you do a backup through your iCloud or transfer everything over to a new phone, because once you do this process, you will not be able to get back your data on this phone. It'll have to be on another device unless you have an iCloud backup or on a backup on your computer. So once you're ready to proceed in the settings, all you're going to do is go to General, scroll all the way down to Transfer Reset iPhone, and this is the option you'll select, Erase All Content and Settings. When you do this, basically all the apps you downloaded, all of your photos, videos, documents, cards in your wallet, anything you ever had on your phone will be completely erased. So we're going to hit continue, and then we're going to click on erase. And then if you have a password for your Apple ID account on it, you'll need to enter that and the passcode of your iPhone as well. So I'm going to enter my passcode. And then if you have Apple ID, you also need to enter that as well. Now the process will begin. You'll see the Apple logo flash a few times. During this process, you want to make sure the phone stays on, it doesn't die, connected to a charger possibly, or make sure your phone has enough charge. And you're going to wait until you get to the hello screen, and that will indicate the phone has been successfully erased and all of the content has been deleted off the phone. And I'm going to show you how that looks like. As you can see here, the Apple logo is going to flash a few times. Like I said, this process takes a few minutes, and I'm going to show you once it is done. And after a few minutes, you'll see this animation that plays hello in different languages. And if I swipe up, it asks me to set up the language, which is an indication that the phone has been successfully erased and all content has been deleted. As you can see here, when I try to select all these options, it's just like when I first set it up. It'll ask you for your information to set it up again. So it is completely safe now to sell, trade in, give away this iPhone without any of your data on it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.